Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Peterson Amber LED single flash pattern strobe beacon light. Now this strobe light for your vehicle is going to give a warning signal to help increase safety, and this is going to be great for use on towing vehicles, plowing vehicles, transportation vehicles for the city maybe, warehouse use, and agricultural applications. Now as you can see, this light does feature a single flash pattern that's displayed at 360 degrees. And let me go ahead and shut my studio lights off here just so you get a better idea of what this is going to look like in low light or dark conditions. So that's the close-up, and then let me go back to my wide view. As you know, LEDs are bright, they're long-lasting, they're energy efficient. And I'll go ahead and turn my studio lights back on here. And so even with my bright studio lights on, you can just see how bright this light is. So let me go back in for a close-up. I'm going to disconnect from power here so I'm not giving you a headache. Now this is made here in the USA. It's actually made in Grandview, Missouri, which is about a little over 200 miles west of us here in Wentzville, Missouri. And it has a polycarbonate amber lens over amber LEDs. And this is going to permanently install on your mounting surface with the built-in studs and hardware that you see here. And this is going to be a relatively easy install. You'll install the washers and the hex nuts and then tighten everything down until this rubber base seals the light to the surface of your vehicle. Now let me go ahead and give you some measurements. And for the height, I'm going to turn this upside down. I think it'll be easier to see the actual height. So measuring from the top of the light to the base, we're sitting pretty close to about 4 5/8 inches tall. And then looking at the diameter, we're pretty close to about 5 3/4 inches in diameter. And then the distance between those mounting holes, if you were interested, let me see if I can line that up there for you. We're sitting right at about 4 inches on center. And then the wires here are stripped, and you'll obviously strip away the insulation for the length of bare wire that you're going to need. And this is going to splice into your 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. Instructions are also included with this to guide you through the installation process. Now again, this is an amber single flash pattern, but I do want to point out that we have some other options available for you as well. So we do have an amber double flash pattern, a white single flash pattern, and a white double flash pattern. Everything basically is going to be the same with the light itself. It's just going to either be a different color or a different flash pattern. So if this one isn't exactly what you're looking for, but those other options there that you see there on your screen are going to better fit your needs, you just take the item number that you see there on your screen, pop it in the search field of our website, and that will take you to the particular light that will work best for you. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our real quick look today. I do hope that our brief time together was illuminating for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.